Hello guys, good morning. So for today, I'll be discussing a standard deviation. So standard deviation, it tells how spread out or how close the numbers are to the average. As you can see, you can uh, you can identify or you can explain if the data is spread out or it uh, in in our language, if the responses of the respondents is there are a variation or it is kalat-kalat, ano po, kalat-kalat or hindi siya magkakasama. Ibig sabihin, they do have different responses. Or you can also identify kung halos consistent yung responses ng respondents. So as you can see with the example here, as you can see with the example here, student A scores 80, 85, 85, 90. So actually this one is it has a low standard deviation since 80, 85, 90 halos ano yan eh. They have a close to one another, to each other. And then, however, a student base scores 60, 70, 100, 110 equal to average of 85. So you can say that this student P has a high standard deviation. As you look at it, they do have a same average. However, with regards to their score, the student score, when you look at it, you can identify or you can determine how spread or how close the their scores when it comes to their examination. And then if if I share with you again my dummy data on how to compute the standard deviation uh, using a Microsoft Excel. So we have to do here, or we have to put our formula here. STD, this one, the DEB, S, and then this one, all from 851 to 2, all the data or the data to be computed. Then close this one, and that's the standard deviation. Standard deviation, or you can use ST, meaning it is an indication that you're referring to a standard deviation. So these are the standard deviation of the variables, of each variables. Kunin lang natin yung hundreds. So as you can see, mabababa or close to zero talaga yung kanyang standard deviation. It's just an indication that close to one another yung responses ng respondents. And then you can also observe here na itong 0.935, it has the highest standard deviation among others. So you can observe that yung pinakang may lowest mean score, siya yung may pinakamataas na standard deviation. So, however, it is hindi naman always, but may mga instances talaga na gano'n. Meaning, mas spread out yung responses ng respondents as you look at the responses of the respondents based on this indicator. So that's all guys. Thank you.